Bonjour, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis ton professeur de français et aujourd'hui nous apprenons les solutions de cahier d'exercice. Well, today we are going to start with the workbook solutions of lesson 6, that is leçon 6, les amis de Caroline, the friends of Caroline. So here we are the question number 1, that is compléter avec les articles définis, that means complete using the definite article. Well, in French, there are 4 forms of definite article, that is le for masculine singular words, la for feminine singular words, l'apostrophe for singular words starting with a vowel or a silent H, and at last we have is le, which is for both masculine and feminine plural form. So the first word here we have is fille, that means girl. As of it is feminine, the answer is la fille. Next we have stylo, that means pen. So here's an image of a pen. It is masculine, the answer is le stylo. Next we have is enfant, that means child. So even though enfant is masculine, it starts with an E, that is a vowel. We'll write it as l'enfant, l'apostrophe. Next we have is garçon, that means boy. So here's an image of a boy. It is masculine, the answer is le garçon. Next we have is homme. So it means men. Why have I not said man? Because it also has an S at the end that indicates it is plural. So we'll write it as les hommes. Next we have is oiseau, that means bird. So as of a bird, it starts with a vowel that is O. The answer is l'oiseau, l'apostrophe. Next we have is gâteau, that means cake. So cake, it is masculine, the answer is le gâteau. Then we have is glace, that means ice cream. Well, all of us loves the taste of it, and the answer is la glace, that means the ice cream. Now do remember definite articles means the. So here we are the question number 2, that is remplissez les blancs, fill in the blanks. So in the column A we have the country, les pays, and in the column B are the nationality, les nationalités. It is subdivided into 2 other columns, masculin and feminin, that means masculine and feminine nationalities. So do remember the hints are given to us. The first part is l'Italie, that means Italy. So the masculine and feminine nationalities are Italien, Italian. Next we have is Allemand, that means German. So the country would be Germany, Allemagne, and we have is the feminine nationality as Allemande. Next we have is La Chine, that means China. So Chinois and Chinoise, it is the nationality in masculine and feminine of China. Next we have is Portuguese, that means Portuguese. So in this the country would be Le Portugal, that means the Portugal, and the masculine nationality is Portugais. Next we have is La France, that means the France. So the nationalities are Français, Française. Next we have is Canadien, that means Canadian. So the country would be Canada, which is Le Canada, and the feminine nationality is Canadien, that means Canadian. Now next we have is Saudian, that means Saudi Arabian. The countries would be l'Arabie Saoudite, the Saudi Arabia, and the masculine nationality is Saudian. Next we have is Espagne, that means Spain. So as of for it is Espagnol, Espagnol. Here we are the question number 3, that is refaites avec les articles définis, that means refill along with the definite article. Well, here we can see is un, une and des, which means a or an for un and une, and we have is des, which means some. So un is for masculine words, une is for feminine words, and des is for the plural words. Now the first part here we have is un banc, that means a bench. The answer is le banc, the bench. Une femme, that means a woman. The answer is la femme, the woman. Des amis, some friends. Les amis, the friends. Un autobus, an autobus. L'autobus, the autobus. Un sac, that means a bag. The answer is le sac, the bag. Next we have is un film, that means a film. The answer is le film, the film. Next we have is une horloge, that means a watch. The answer is l'horloge, the watch. une maison, that means a house. The answer is la maison, the house. Now here we are the question number 4, that is méthode au pluriel, put in the plural form. Firstly we have is le livre est mince, that means the book is thin. So the literal translation would be les livres sont minces, the books are thin. Next we have is la femme est jolie, the woman is pretty. Les femmes sont jolies, the women are pretty. L'enfant est petit, that means the child is small. The answer is les enfants sont petits, the children are small. Le gâteau est bon, that means the cake is good. Les gâteaux sont bons, the cakes are good. L'homme est mince, that means the man is thin. The answer is les hommes sont minces, the men are thin. So here we have the question number 5, that is compléter avec l'article défini ou indéfini. That means complete using the definite or the indefinite article. Well, do remember the difference between them. Indefinite are used for referring to something we do not know, and definite are used for referring something that we already know. For example, I say a sentence, there was a tree. The tree was big. So in the first sentence, I did not know which tree it was, but I still was referring to it. There was a tree. And in the second part, I was referring to the same tree that I told earlier about. The tree was big. I was identifying it. Now, here we have is the first part. We'll do it in the same way. Say dash vélo the Paul. That means this is a bicycle. This is the bicycle of Paul. The answer is c'est un vélo, c'est le vélo de Paul. Next we have is say dash hope the Sophie. That means this is a dress. This is the dress of Sophie. The answer is c'est une robe, c'est la robe de Sophie. Ce sont des crayons de Manuel. That means these are some pencils. These are the pencils of Manuel. Now the answer is ce sont des crayons. Ce sont les crayons de Manuel. Next we have is c'est dash enfant de Monsieur Vincent. That means this is the child. This is the child of Mr. Vincent. So this is a child. The answer is c'est un enfant. C'est l'enfant de Monsieur Vincent. Now the fifth part is ce sont des sacs de Caroline. These are some bags. These are the bags of Caroline. The answer is ce sont des sacs. Ce sont les sacs de Caroline. Now that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye.